The Arup S-2 was the first practical development of Dr. Cloyd Snyder's experiments with low aspect ratio, heel-shaped wings. Snyder, a physician from South Bend, Indiana, was inspired in 1929 by the stability of a small model he built with a shoe heel outline. After patenting the idea, he constructed a glider with a rounded trailing edge wing and control surfaces spread across its span. The glider flew successfully, and with help from engineer Raoul Hoffman, Snyder installed a small motorcycle engine, though its performance was poor. To improve the design, Snyder and Hoffman created the Arup S-2 in 1932. Unlike its predecessor, the S-2 used a more conventional layout while retaining the distinctive low aspect ratio wing. The planform resembled a guitar pick: straight leading edge, broad center section, and a tapering rear. An M6 airfoil replaced the earlier Clark Y derivative. The trailing edge carried large mixed control surfaces for pitch and roll, assisted by small movable semicircular wingtips. The aircraft used conventional landing gear with streamlined wheel pants, and the cockpit was accessed through a hatch in the belly. Transparent celluloid panels in the floor gave the pilot downward visibility. Powered originally by a 36-horsepower Continental A40, the S-2 achieved impressive performance. Its top speed was about 156 kilometers per hour, with a landing speed as low as 37 kilometers per hour. Tests showed it could maintain flight at a 35-degree angle of attack without stalling, giving it exceptional short takeoff and landing capability. The prototype was flown by Glen Doolittle and demonstrated widely, including at the Indianapolis 500 and the 1933 National Air Races. In Washington, District of Columbia, the aircraft attracted the attention of the Army, the National Advisory Committee for Aeronautics, and the Civil Aeronautics Authority. Among the observers was Charles Zimmerman, who later applied similar principles to the Vought XF-5U Flying Flapjack. The S-2 was eventually sold without an engine to stunt pilot Frank Bowser Frakes, who fitted it with a Secchi radial from an American Eagle Eaglet. Performance suffered, and after exhibition flights, the aircraft was eventually crashed in a show. Despite this, the design influenced later research and inspired Hoffman to create his own flying wing concepts. Today, an example of the Arup S-2 survives at the Mid-Atlantic Air Museum in Reading, Pennsylvania. Additionally, the Old Rhinebeck Aerodrome's veteran pilot Kenwood Cassens has undertaken construction of a full-scale reproduction powered by a Continental A40. The S-2 remains a rare but significant milestone in early American experimentation with unconventional wing configurations, bridging the gap between Snyder's first heel wing concepts and the advanced flying wings that followed.